Hello students, CBSE has released syllabus for 2022-23 batch for all subjects. In our discussion, we'll discuss physics syllabus for the current batch, that is 2022-23. In our discussion for physics syllabus, we'll see a detailed discussion of the syllabus. We'll see what are the topics which have been deleted, what are the new topics which have been added, and what is the change in the marks distribution with respect to 2021-22 batch. We'll see all these topic-wise and chapter-wise. So let's start our discussion. First is your electrostatics. Now the upper part which we are showing here, it is for the batch 2021-22. And the topic we are taking electrostatics. And the lower one is for 2022-23 batch there. Now in this one, no topic have been deleted there for this particular batch, but of course one particular topic have been added, that is uniformly charged thin spherical shell for the field inside and outside. It is basically Gauss theorem application for a charged spherical shell. This was not there in the previous session and now it has been added here. So this is a new topic which has been added in electrostatics. In the next topic, that is electrostatic potential and capacitance, again in respect to the 2021-22 batch, from that syllabus nothing has been deleted. Rather, this particular batch, energy is stored in a charged capacitor. For this one, now there is no derivation required. So derivation will not be there, only formula will be there. But of course, you can expect questions there where some numerical, some conceptual type questions may be based on the energy stored in a charged capacitor. Of course, derivation will not be asked. In current electricity, many things have been deleted in this one. Like Kirchhoff's law is there, but its applications have been deleted. Wheatstone bridge is there. Meter bridge in the last year's syllabus was there, but it was only a qualitative idea there. Potentiometer, this part is now has been totally deleted there for this particular batch, 22-23. So all these topics have been marked here in the syllabus. These have been deleted. If you see the moving charge and magnetism, in this one there is hardly any change there. Of course, you can notice that the current loop as magnetic dipole and its magnetic dipole moment, we have marked that one with yellow. This particular topic is still there in the syllabus, only its presence have been made in some other part there. That means it is basically now it has been added there in this magnetism and matter. You'll find this magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. This have been removed. Earth's magnetic field and magnetic element. This is now removed. Lot of the things have been added in magnetism and matter, like bar magnet. Of course, bar magnet as a equivalent solenoid was earlier there, but now it is this time it is only the qualitative treatment is there. Magnetic field due to magnetic dipole, that is the bar magnet, along its axis and perpendicular to its axis, torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. This have been added. Magnetic property of the magnetic material, para, dia and ferromagnetic substances with example, magnetization of the material and effect of temperature on magnetic property. This has been now added there. If you take the topic electromagnetic induction, in electromagnetic induction, ED current has been now deleted. Whereas LC oscillation, which was earlier also it was there, but it was just a qualitative treatment, but now this topic has been totally removed. So LCR series circuit is there, but only by phasor method. And of course, power factor and wattless current. This is now added. If you take now electromagnetic waves, in this one, basic idea of the displacement current, this is now added. Last year, it was not there in the syllabus. It was deleted. Now this year it has been added. Whereas if you take ray optics and optical instrument, in this one, refraction, total internal reflection and its application. So this application part has been removed now. Whereas in ray optics, reflection of light, a spherical mirror and mirror formula, this is now added. So this is the extra topic which is added there in the syllabus. Again, if you take wave optics, in wave optics, the change which has been made in Young's double slit experiment and expression for fringe width, now no derivation is required, only final expression will be there. So you can get numericals there based on the fringe width, some conceptual type question there, but so you will not be asked to derive the expression for fringe width in Young's double slit experiment. Similarly, width of the central maxima for single slit diffraction, it is now a qualitative treatment only. So this is another change which has been made in the syllabus for the batch 2022-23. In dual nature of radiation and matter, of course, there is no change there. In atoms, again, there is a change. What is the change? Now, expression for radius of nth possible orbit, velocity and energy of the electron in that orbit is now added. Last year, it was not there. So now this topic has been added. Similarly, if you take for the nuclei, the binding energy per nucleon and its variation with mass number, this is now added this year. Again, if you take now semiconductors. So in this one, a special purpose PN junction diode, LED, photodiode, solar cells, all these which have been marked there with pink color, these are deleted. So these topics have been deleted. Whereas extra thing which have been added, it is the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor, P-type and N-type PN junction. This has been added in the syllabus. So this was the discussion on what are the topic which have been deleted, what are the topic which have been added now. All the topics in the syllabus of 2021-22 which have been marked with pink color, it has been deleted. Whereas in 2022-23 portion, whatever have been marked with green color, this has been added there. Now let's see in respect to the mass distribution, what are the changes there? So here, now you can see that electric charge and field, that is the first chapter, electrostatic potential and capacitance, and current electricity. In the session 21-22, it was of 17 marks. Now it is 16 marks. Then moving charges and magnetism, magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction, alternating current. These were there of 18 marks earlier. Now it will be of 17 marks. Similarly, if you take electromagnetic waves, ray optics and wave optics, these were together of 17 marks. Now this time it is of 18 marks. Earlier it was 17 and now it is of 18 marks. Now if you take the dual nature of radiation and matter, atoms and nuclei, earlier it was of 11 marks, now it is of 12 marks. Semiconductor, electronics, material, devices and simple circuit, it is same. 7 marks was there in the previous batch. 7 marks is again for this particular batch. That is 22-23. So it is now 16, 17, 18, 12 and 7 marks there for these respective units. So this is the change there in the marks distribution for this particular batch 22-23. So this was the discussion of physics syllabus for session 2022-23 and what is the change there, topic which have been deleted, topic which have been added, and what is the change in the marks distribution.